Light travels faster than sound. That is why some people appear bright until you hear them speak. Light travels faster than sound. That is why some people appear bright until you hear them speak. One of the most important lessons in life is understanding that appearances can be deceiving. Some people may appear confident, intelligent, or impressive on the outside, but the true wisdom is revealed through character, humility, and words they speak. In today's world, many people focus heavily on image, status, and presentation. However, genuine wisdom is not proven by appearance alone. It is reflected in how a person communicates, treats others, handles pressure, and responds with maturity and understanding. Words reveal the condition of the heart and the quality of the mind. A wise person speaks with kindness, humility, and self-control, while careless speech often exposes pride, ignorance, or lack of wisdom. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 2. The tongue of the wise adorns knowledge, but the mouth of the fool gushes folly. Wisdom is displayed through thoughtful and disciplined speech. It is not enough to appear impressive outwardly. True value is shown by what comes from within. At the same time, this message also encourages us to be careful with our own words. We should strive to speak with wisdom, integrity, and grace because our speech reflects our character. Today, let's focus less on appearances and more on building true wisdom, humility, and character. Remember that what you often say reveals more about you than how you look. Be blessed.